For this demonstration of EstimatorPRO's specialty calculators, let's choose the framing material option. Click that item with the left mouse button. As we demonstrated in the overview, choose the Detail Estimate option, the Add Item button. Here we see the framing materials database. Let's select materials for a roof. Double-click that item to have it appear in the framing material details list. Now click on the calculator icon on the EstimatorPRO Utilities toolbar. This will display a basic calculator on screen. From this calculator, we can show the lumber calculator by clicking the Lumber button. Alternatively, we could just click the Specialty Lumber Calculator button next to the Framing Material Detail sheet. Here we see the lumber calculator with several options we can complete. The first item is Rake, where we can specify the rake layout. Here we'll set the layout to dormer wall. Other items we can customize in the lumber calculator are hip, rafter, overbuild, stair, gable, and floor wall. For this demonstration, we'll focus on customizing the overbuild section. First, we fill in the takeoff values. Let's assume the length is 4 feet, the span is 24 feet, and the overhang is 12 inches. Notice how the rafter lumber to order area automatically completes the amount of lumber required for building a roof to those specifications. The roof area field also auto-completes. Here we'll change the slope from 6 to 8. Again, notice how the rafter lumber to order and roof area fields automatically update with this new information. Once the roof specifications have been entered, we can add the appropriate amount of material to our framing material detail sheet. Move the lumber calculator to the right, then click the Add Item button. Now add the items. Starting with the 8-foot long 2x6 stud, we need to add each item that has a value in the lumber calculator's rafter lumber to order area. And of course, we need to include the plywood required to cover the framing. We'll go with the 7/16 inch OSB 4x8 sheets. That's all the framing material we'll need, so close the materials database box and drag the lumber calculator back on screen. If you roll the cursor over each item's quantity cell, you'll see a tooltip noting you can double-click the quantity to update each item on the details sheet. Watch as this is demonstrated. Once each item's quantity has been updated from the lumber calculator, close it. Then return to the summary sheet for a final review of the framing materials estimate.